Hi, I wanted to make this video um, kind of as a resource for the family members and parents that are at home, kind of trying to figure out how this website works and how you can kind of track your scholar's progress on your own. So, one of the things that I really want to kind of point out to your attention. So this is going to be the home screen that your scholar is going to see when they log into their own Pearson Realize site. So it has this browse section that's going to give you access to module or the units 1 through I believe 16. So we'll take a look at this first. So within this section, you'll see that there are all the different topics that we cover this year. So far, we've covered topics 1 through 9. So most likely what your scholars are going to be working on during this time is some sort of review from these 9 topics. So something that's really important, so you can click on whatever topic it is that we are working on, and it has each of the lessons listed. So let's say that we're on lesson 1-1. So then you'll notice that it has all these different things that you can look at as a scholar's view. So one of the things that I do want to point out is most of them have some sort of game, as well as this video that is called Another Look. This video is going to be a great resource because it's just another source of information that goes along with that lesson. So it just gives a little bit of background information. So if you as a parent are kind of struggling with whatever it is that they're working on and the video that I posted was still a little bit confusing for you, you can also go to this and it gives just kind of a quick example. But it's also another great resource for your scholar as well.
Hi there.
We'll do something just
Today
kind
we
of
will
quick.
talk about powers. By 10, the power, or exponent, which is the raised number, increases. So 10 to the third power equals 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1,000.
So that's just kind of a quick little example of what these videos are going to have. And then also every day I'm including another video that they can watch and you can also watch with them. It also has this interactive additional practice that they can work on. And usually this is part of their assignment that I am giving to them. So this is kind of one of the assignments that you're going to be seeing if it'll load. So this is the interactive additional practice. They're going to be getting this in a different form. So this is the paper version, but the form that they're going to be getting on their end is going to be digital where they can answer the questions on their own. But this is just another resource. And then it also has more resources. So if you feel like maybe they need a little bit extra or you're just feeling like they need a little bit extra practice, um, here is more information, more things that they can work on. This gives the video that I was talking about. This is another video actually. This is the video that I usually would show at the beginning of class. And it's just a little bit different. It's more of an introduction and less of a review.
10 as a factor.
So you'll see it goes a little bit more in detail.
The exponent, 3, shows that the base number.
Back to this interactive um, student edition, this has a lot of extra things that they can work on. So like I was saying, if you feel like they need to kind of expand on that lesson, this gives you the student edition, which is right here. So that workbook page that we usually did together, these last two are the workbook pages. Solve and share is going to be a number sentence or a word problem, and then this convince me is also going to be a little bit more word problem based. So they have access to all of the lesson resources and at their fingertips, and they can use it every single day to expand on the lesson that I post on YouTube. And then again, there is a game that they can also be working on. So back to this home page, another really important area that I want you to pay attention to is this part right here where it says classes. This is where they're going to go to see their assignments. So you can notice right here, it has that there is an assignment that was due. There's 3 tabs up at the top. These are the ones that are not started. So these 3 assignments have not been started yet. These assignments are in progress, and you can also look and see that there are dates next to them. So we want to focus on the ones that have dates, kind of starting from when we started our distance learning program. So these are the work that is not completed, and it's still in progress. And then you'll see this last part that says completed. This is really important. So you'll see that, I'm going to change it to where that due date. You'll see that off to the side, it gives you their scores that they received. This is really important. So I've been getting some questions from parents about, how is my scholar doing on these assignments that they are submitting online. So this is really awesome because you have access to be able to see how they've done on every single one of their assignments that they've turned in. You also have the ability to click on their assignment and also see they're in progress right here, but you'll also notice that on this lesson, this scholar completed part 4 and got 100%. These other parts of the problem are still in progress. So you have the ability to see what your scholar is doing, how they're progressing, what assignments they've completed, what assignments they have not completed, so that we can kind of stick with this together and be able to kind of tackle this head on. And then this last portion is just kind of their overall grades. It gives some different graphs and things like that. So I really hope that this tutorial of Pearson Realize at least gives you a little bit of a better understanding on how your scholar accesses this website, what it looks like, and some things that you can be doing to keep up with if your scholar is completing their assignments, how they're doing on assignments, as well as in this browse section right here, some additional assignments that they can be working on as well. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and I hope that this was helpful.